Hello class, I'm in Blackboard today in the discussion board, and I wanted to show you how you can use a tool called Grammarly to proof your discussions without ever leaving eCampus. So to get started, I need a little bit of text, so I found a not very well written paragraph online that I'm going to copy. And strangely enough, this paragraph comes from an article on the top best free online proofreading tools, and the guy who wrote it really needed a proofreader, and a human one, not just a machine one. But let's go ahead and see what Grammarly can do for this paragraph. So I'm going to go back to the discussion board now that I have this copy and paste it. And you'll see this little green circle. Well, now it's a red circle. And it's telling me that I have 3 advanced issues and 3 critical issues. Grammarly wants money to tell you about the advanced issues, and it's not cheap. I went ahead and paid for a month just to experience it, see if I thought it was worth the money. And really, I think for most things, the 3 critical issues are all you need. The advanced issues help, but I'm not sure it's worth the price difference. So I'm going to go ahead and hit correct. And once I'm in this tool, you'll see that it has 3 recommendations for me. One is to change a plural word into a singular word here with mistakes. This is an example of where the grammar checkers fall short, because this person is saying, or they do mistakes. I have a feeling the person who wrote this is not a native English speaker, because we would not say do mistakes, but make mistakes. And in that case, you would want it to be plural. So we're just going to ignore that error, and you see I changed it, the recommendation went away. And the next one is for one of those hyphenated words we've been talking about, web-based or web-based, and I think the hyphen is more appropriate. So I'm going to select that. And then on the last piece of advice it's telling us that we're missing an article by paying registration fee. And obviously that should be the registration fee or a registration fee. If I click the little drop down phrase, it will give me a little bit more information on the error and even more information on the error. What I'm going to do though is click away from that and then click to insert the article the. Once again, this is not a perfect tool. Just this first sentence here. White Smoke is a proofreading tool that is deliberated solely for people aware about their grammar and spelling proficiency. That's a bad sentence. Deliberated is probably not the right word. Maybe they meant deliberately, because deliberated, that's what juries do. Juries deliberate. And aware about their grammar and spelling proficiency. Maybe for people who need to become more aware, or people who are aware of their grammar. Not really sure where the writer was headed, so it won't pick up everything, but there are some very common errors it does pick up. And one thing Grammarly forces you to do is it forces you to reread what you have typed, which is never a bad thing. So this is well worth installing and well worth paying attention to. And if you go to their website, it has a profile. No, that must be with the premium account, where it keeps track of the mistakes you've made and sends you an email every week to tell you so you can improve a little bit more. So I'm going to do another video on how to install Grammarly for anyone who's interested. Thank you.